You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever shut indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can beat it. So gently let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with the tongue before the